Hello friends, welcome back to new video. Hope you are doing well. As you know, we bring interesting videos about cars for you. So today, we will talk about how luxury Rolls-Royce cars are made. Rolls-Royce, a name synonymous with luxury motoring, crafts its vehicles with an unrivaled focus on hand-built precision and unmatched customization. Here's a glimpse into the world-renowned process of creating a Rolls-Royce masterpiece, the birthplace of grandeur, Goodwood, England. The journey begins at the state-of-the-art facility in Goodwood, England. Here, amidst rolling green fields, skilled artisans meticulously bring each Rolls-Royce to life, handcrafted from the ground up. Unlike mass-produced cars, Rolls-Royce vehicles are a testament to human expertise. The aluminum frame, comprised of over 500 parts, is welded by hand, ensuring exceptional rigidity and a ride unlike any other. The heart of power, a hand-assembled masterpiece. Even the legendary Rolls-Royce engines are hand-assembled. Engineered for effortless power delivery, they boast a reserve of at least 10%, guaranteeing a surge of acceleration whenever needed. A canvas for bespoke dreams, customization redefined. Every element of a Rolls-Royce can be customized. From choosing exquisite veneers to selecting one-of-a-kind paint finishes applied by a single craftsperson, the possibilities for personalization are limitless. Dedicated designers collaborate with clients to translate their desires into reality. The art of flawless perfection. The meticulous attention to detail is staggering. 10 layers of paint are painstakingly applied, each layer hand-sanded and inspected to achieve a mirror-like finish. Even the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament is polished to gleaming perfection, the marriage of technology and tradition. While handcrafting reigns supreme, Rolls-Royce integrates advanced technology seamlessly. Cutting-edge laser welding ensures structural integrity, while computer-aided design tools optimize performance. A symphony of silence, the pursuit of quiet. Comfort. Rolls-Royce engineers go to extraordinary lengths to create a sanctuary of serenity within the cabin. Layers of insulation and strategically placed materials ensure an unparalleled level of quietude, allowing for undisturbed conversation or contemplation. Owning a legacy. The delivery experience. The culmination of this remarkable process is a momentous occasion. Taking delivery of a Rolls-Royce is not just receiving a car, it's acquiring a piece of automotive heritage. A dedicated product specialist unveils the car, meticulously explaining its features and bespoke elements. A Rolls-Royce is more than a car. It's a rolling work of art, a testament to human craftsmanship, and a symbol of timeless luxury. Hope you like this video. We will back with another video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.